Hey guys, my name is Ali and I've been day trading for about 3 years. And I believe the most important thing in day trading is risk management. If you really want to stay longer in this game and make money and be profitable, you have to get your risk management nailed down to the T. And that was my main issue when I started day trading. My biggest problem was that I would think that it's a great opportunity. I would end up buying 500 shares, and if it goes against me, I'm down like $200, $300, $400, and I'm only, as a new trader, I was only willing to risk like $100 only. But since I would buy way too many shares, I would get caught like a deer in the headlights, and that was a big issue. So I came up with this idea in Thinkorswim is now when I get into a trade, for example, this AIM here, I see this wedge pattern here, right? So I want to buy it here and my stop is here. So I simply go here and check what's my stop. So it's 10 cents. I'm willing to risk 10 cents. And these days I'm willing to risk $80 per trade. So I simply right click, hit buy custom, and I have templates created already that if it's 10 cents, I should buy 800 shares. So it automatically calculates for me 800 shares for a 10-cent risk and automatically puts a stop for me to right below this area. And then I can always move my profit targets way up. So I would normally do, my profit target would be right at the high of the day. And then I would take some as it goes up. And then I put my final profit, way up, let it run. So I end up making way more money and then lose way less. Now the cool thing about it is that it automatically calculates my shares and I never ever lose more than $80. For example, I see this good wedge breakout. I want to buy here and my stop is below if it breaks this level. So the distance from here to here is 15 cents. So I simply go right click, buy custom, click here and I have 15 cents for $80. So now if you notice, it only is going to buy 533 shares. And if you multiply 533 into 15 cents, it's $80. Here in this area, when I was trying to buy, my risk was only 10 cents. So when I went here and I go here and I hit 10 cents, now here it bought 800 shares. So nevertheless, I will never ever lose more than $80. So let's look at another example. For example, Uber. I'm a trend break, trader, so I like to make trend lines. So as soon as I notice I want to buy it here, my stop is 20 cents. I just simply right click, buy custom. I hit here and I look for 20 cents. Boom. As soon as I do it, now it's going to calculate 20 cents into 80, which is 20 cents into 40, which is 400 shares. So it's automatically going to calculate how many shares should I buy. So when I'm wrong, I should not lose more than $80. Okay, so let me show you how to create these templates. Okay, just like I have created templates for me based on my risk tolerance for 80. So let's say that you are risking, every trade you get in, you want to risk not more than $100. Okay, so you're going to create $100 8 cents, $100 10 cents, $100 15 cents, $100 20 cents. Okay, so I'm going to show you, for example, for the first one. So let's say that I'm going to create a template for 10 cents. So if my risk is 10 cents, how many shares should I be buying? I can buy 1,000 shares, right? If I buy 1,000 shares and I lose 10 cents on it, I'm going to lose $100. So I'm going to open Active Trader. I'm going to put 1,000 shares here, and here I'm going to select bracket with 3, and it's going to open up this window. And as you can see, it's automatically calculated and divided by 3, so it's going to sell in 3 tiers. So now I want to risk only 10 cents, so I'm going to go 10 cents, and then again I'm going to go 10 cents, and then here I'm also going to go 10 cents. So my stop for each of these 3 pieces are 10 cents. And now I can also, my risk reward, let's say if I want to take a risk reward 1 to 2, so I can do 20 cents. I can sell one piece. Let's say I want to sell one piece 1 to 1. So that will be 10 cents. and I want to sell another one for like 1, 2, 3. So that will be 30 cents. Okay. Once I'm done with this, so now that what that means, by the way, is that I'm gonna lose 10 cents on each of my piece, but I'm gonna sell in 3 tiers. First tier will be 10 cent profit, next tier will be 20 cents, and third will be 30 cents. All right. So every time I get into a trade, I would need to do this, but I can save this template, and then I can just right click and click on 10 cents, and boom, every single time, whenever there's a 10 cent risk, I can just right click and then get into a trade instantly. All right. So the way you save it is just go here, make sure this auto send is not checked, and then you simply go hit buy anywhere, and then instead of hitting send, you hit edit, and I'm gonna save this template, and I'm gonna name it $100 because I'm risking $100, and my risk is 10 cents. All right, save. And I'm going to delete this. Now, here, let me show you an example where my risk was actually 10 cents. So in this trade, AIM, which played out yesterday pretty well, so I can see there is a flag forming, and I want to get in right here. And my risk is 10 cents, and I want to risk $100. So I'm simply going to go here, buy custom, and this is the one I just created, $100 for 10 cents. I hit confirm and send, and boom. I'm going to buy right here 1,000 shares, and if it goes against me, which it didn't, by the way, and if it goes against me, I'm going to lose $100. But look what it did. So I would have gotten filled here, my first 30%, and then next. And I can also always move, by the way, if I can hit auto send, I can move wherever I want, so I can take bigger profits. But if I'm wrong, I'm gonna get stopped out, only lose $100. But if I'm right, I can lose make like 300 to 400 to 500 to whatever, whenever I'm gonna sell, right? So that's awesome. That's the coolest thing. So now you never ever have to, whenever you see, all you have to do, just right click, buy custom, and boom, 10 cents, done. And it will automatically put your stop loss. It will automatically put your targets, and you will always make more money. And whenever you will lose less money. All right. Hope this helps you out. And if you have any more questions, let me know. And by the way, just like I did it for 10 cents, you can set up for 20 cents. So for 20 cents, you're going to do 500 shares, right? Same thing. You're going to do 500 shares. You go to template. You go single, or you can set up to whatever brackets you want. If you want to sell in 3 tiers, you want to sell in 2 tiers, or you can sell in 1 tiers, right? I like to sell in 3 tiers, so I do it 3. And then again, here I go put 20 cents because my loss, which is a stop. Again, here, 20 cents. 20 cents, right? And then my first profit, let's say, is 20 cents. My second profit is 40 cents, which is 1-to-2 ratio, and I'll do 60 cents, which is 1-to-3. So I'll scale out my position and maximize my profits, right? And once I'm done, I simply click here. Sorry about that. Make sure you hit auto send uncheck. Click here, hit edit, and simply go here, and then you name it, and then you save it. So let me just save it as $100. $20. Boom. Save. Delete. So now let's say I want to buy Uber. My risk is 20 cents. I simply click here. Buy custom. $100, 20 cents. Confirm, send. And look, my stop is right below this, which is where I want to stop out. And if it goes against me, I'm only going to lose $100. But if it goes on my favor, I'm going to make $300 to $400 or whatever, whenever I want to sell it. So I can move it up, right? So I can always maximize my profits but my loss will always be $100. So I hope this helps. This has really changed my trading, and I really hope that it helps you guys as well. All right, guys, take care.